Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Then select Print. Click on Default Print Service. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different service, disable this one thanks to blue switcher. Go back. Tap on Add Print Service and download the best one for your printer. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same printing settings. Then just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!